Hello guys, I just finished the run of Kutch. Absolutely exquisite. Never seen something like that. I rode about like 10 kilometers in, and I have about an hour and a half to Bhuj to the bike rental, and now it's around just 2 o'clock, and it's so hot. So I just decided to take a break, man. It's not worth it. Because I just have to give the bike by 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Probably start riding again when it's 4 or something. Don't feel like eating anything. Just had some water. And I'm happy. And yeah, it's my new chill spot for a couple of hours. Just took off my shoes and everything. It's just so dry and hot. Yeah, just chilling here for a bit. Might pass out, but I have to be careful with my shoe and all. But yeah, after so long I'm seeing like binges and all that. Crazy. Hello. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's a fucking tornado. It's not getting captured on the phone. But yeah, that's the tornado. Fast. There's so much draft in the wind, drift in the wind, and you overtake also. It's crazy. First time seeing a tornado, felt an earthquake, saw a camel in the wild, saw a run of Kutch. Bro, it's amazing. It's a full-fledged goddamn. There are 2, 3. There was. Whoa. She's amazing. 3 हो गया, man. Guys, this video doesn't do any justice to how vast and epic this place is, how brutal it is. You have to come here and experience it for yourself. No matter how much I explain it to you, it wouldn't be enough. But here, the air is hot, the ground is hot, your bike is hot, the water is warm, everything is just hot. For some buttermilk, we only had half liter. What am I supposed to do with this dude? Oh, look how red my eyes are. I need sleep.